there is nothing better than a comfy pair of slippers when you're at home and you're cruising around your house. So these are slippers from BCozy, and these are a nice little coral color. When I got them out of the box originally, they were a lot fluffier. They were more fluffy like this material up here, but you can see that I've been wearing them. So there's a little bit of wear on that padding there. This padding is super, super thick. So you can see how much cushion you've got here, but it's got a nice rubber non-slip pad. So this pad on the bottom is a little bit harder, a little bit more steady. And I'd like to thank BCozy for sending these to me to review. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And again, these are just adorable. They're comfortable. The biggest thing is that they're super comfortable, right? And so I'm going to show you what these look like on my feet as I wear them and walk around with them. I can feel a little bit more support, which is also really great if you've got hardwood floors in your house and no carpeting. You want some kind of cushion, so walking on your bare feet without any cushioning can be kind of damaging to your feet. So these are super comfortable, and actually they're incredibly, incredibly warm. So, and these are the coral color. They come in a couple different colors. The coral's the one I've got. So I like orange and those kinds of colors. So.